Sound check 1 2 1 2. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, so today is March 14, Saturday. Today we'll be going to Campwell. Anong
po ay sa Republic Act 75.6 na regulation po ng DNR po.
Yan.
National po kami.
Yan, so para sa DNR, meron dito na 50 pesos lang per sasakyan. So guys, 50 pesos per rig for our DENR. Parang environmental fee, no?
Hindi po, protected area kasi ito.
Okay.
Kami po yung nangangalaga pag pinagpuputol dyan, kami kagad yung tatak.
It's only 50 pesos per rig, so we'll go ahead, we'll wait for you.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thank you, kuya. Yan na yung nandun dati. Okay na, dahan.
Magandang umaga po, ma'am.
Good morning po.
Saan po kayo, ma'am?
Sa Campwell.
Campwell. Ma'am, meron po sila?
Yes.
Opo. Ano lang yan?
po tayo environmental fee.
Ito po.
Hindi, iba yan. Ito, yung puti, tapos may isa pa akong sasakyan na itim, na pick up. Hindi yan.
Ilan po kayo dyan?
Kami.
3.
Tapos, ilan dyan?
Yan, pasok na tayo. Campwell. Yan. So, like I was saying, medyo madali na talaga daan dito. Kayang kamaskaya na siya. Last time kasi nagpunta kami kasama Innova. Innova ni Dwayne. Yan, yung isang nakakasama natin. Ngayon, parang mas kaya na lalo. Ngayon kasi nagpunta kami ngayon, medyo ngayon malamig eh. Camp Hiraya. Okay na. Hanap na lang kaming pwesto. Thank you. Right. Okay, so the time now is 9:35 and nandito na kami sa Campwell. Yan. Of course, Payal and Ayub is here. Ayub. Hi, Payal. Hi, Ayub. Hello. How's the weather so far?
Awesome.
Right? And it's still the morning.
Doesn't feel like we're just 2 hours away from the city.
Only 22 degrees.
Oh, yeah? Right, so anyway, it's still the morning. Yan, ando sila Joseph, nasa taas. Ito tayo, mamaya set up natin yung Kudi tent dyan. So ito yung ilog ng Daraitan. Yan, so this is what I'm telling you guys. Medyo mas malalim dito sa area na to. So mas enjoyable lumubog-lubog. Ayan. Yan. So mag-aayos muna kami. Ayusin lang namin tong tent namin. Ayan. Oh, andyan mga anak nila Ayub. Oh, may kalaro siya. Yan, bago natin silang kasama. Ayan. They're still sleeping. So we're still waiting for 2 more cars.
That's Payal.
Alright, so we'll set up our tent. One thing na gusto ko dito sa basket na to kasi yan, tulad yan, after ko gamitin, pwede ko na siyang i-fold muna para hindi maka-istorbo dito sa pinto ko dito sa likod. Yan, so this is from Hitch Pro. Yan. So, time now is 20 past 12. Yan, ito yung setup natin. Hindi pa tayo tapos mag-setup kasi first time namin siya binuksan. Nandun sila Ayub, sila Joseph nandun, sila Doc Glenn, Fonzie. Yan, kompleto na tayo. Antayin na lang natin makatapos sila ng setup. Pati kami. Tapos siguro lunch na tayo. Medyo mahangin dito ngayon. Sarap din. Ganda ng ilaw. Sakto lang. Yan, mamaya loob tayo dyan. Loob na lang. Tambay lang kami dito. Yan, syempre si Brother Glenn. Yan, sila Fonzie tsaka si Joseph pupwentuhan doon. Medyo mahangin dito ngayon. Pero sakto no? Ramdam pa tama, amihan pa to Tama. Yan, tikman na nga natin to. Paborito natin to Samosa. Diba? Thank you, Payal. Tirahin na natin. Tirahin pa na very good. Favorite talaga. Kaya mo na ako. Check yan. Good afternoon. Sinusulit ko lang tumambay dito sa tent. Dito ako sa extension na tent ng Kudi 8.0. Siyempre, Kudi na kama. Para pares-pares. Kudi na carpet. Siyempre. Yan, so may panoramic view tayo ng mga kasama natin. Ipapaantok lang ako. Medyo inaantok na rin talaga. Kaya lang, hindi pa masyadong dat na ng antok. So, tambay ulit tayo. Maliwanag lang yan pero hindi masyadong mainit. Ganda ng panahon ngayon dito sa Campwell. So, ayun pala, ikwento ko na lang din dahil nandito na rin tayo habang nagpapaantok ako. So, ito actually is dati ginagawa namin to, and ito yung Banayad Adventure Team na mga ginagawa kong lakad before. Yan, ngayon kasama natin sa Banayad Adventure Team is syempre si Ayub, yan, kasabay natin kanina, at saka sumunod ito si Fonzie. Yan, kasama yung family niya. Yan, tapos mga bago nating kasama, yan, sila Doc Glenn, tsaka sila Joseph and family. Yan. So, yan, this is our parang not naman monthly, pero bahala na kung kailan lang maluwag din lahat. Gagawa lang ako ng lakad. So, kung gusto niyo sumama, especially sa mga beginners, yan, wala tong ekstrang bayad kundi yung babayaran lang natin sa campsite. Wala lang. This is more like parang kwentuhan lang, palitan lang ng thoughts, nothing too serious, tambay lang. Halos ano lang to kunyari gusto niyo lang ng may kasama sa camping ninyo o may lugar kayo na gustong puntahan na mapupuntahan din namin, pwede kayong sumama. So ngayon kasi halos naka-ground tent kaming lahat. Pati ako. Ayan. Halos naka-ground tent naman kami lahat ngayon. So, kumbaga back to car camping basics. Diba? Okay naman yung RTT. May RTT pa rin tayo, syempre. Front runner and ARB. Yan. Nasa atin pa rin yan. Pero, pag medyo, para lang kumbaga, para maiba lang. Diba? Sarap din mag-ground tent minsan. So anyway, ayun, pag gusto nyo sumama or meron kayong gustong puntahan na mapupuntahan din namin o wala lang, gusto nyo na sumama, makipagkwentuhan, sama kayo sa amin. Banayad Adventure Team. So, syempre, para makasama, join lang kayo sa group namin, Banayad Adventure Team na group. Tapos pwede din kayo mag-post ng mga lakad nyo doon. Ayan, gawa lang tayo ng community na hindi komplikado. Kumbaga, masaya lang lahat. Puro sharing lang. Yan. So anyway, Again, nandito kami sa Campbell ngayon. Ganda yung panahon. Maliwanag lang pero hindi masyadong mainit. Nagtago na nga ako sa tent kasi kanina mahangin. Medyo malamig na rin kasi dito sa part ng Daraitan, iba yung hangin dito, mas presko. So, yun lang masasabi ko. And then, syempre, dito sa part ng Campbell, lalo na pag medyo summer na tagtuyot na, no? Medyo summer or yung pag medyo malapit na natagtuyot, dito may parts pa rin na medyo malalim. Sa ating adults is may enjoy pa rin natin lumubog sa ilog. Hindi yung hindi masyado mababaw. So yan, okay dito. Nagsisiesta pa yung karamihan. Ako naman naghahanap pa ng antok ko. Mamayang hapon, ikot-ikot tayo. Pakita ko din yung mga setup nila. Yan, para din sa mga nanonood na gusto sumama sa amin. Para makita nyo na welcome naman dito lahat ng setup. Okay? Mukhang parating na yung antok ko. Okay? Laters. Okay. Medyo na fast forward tayo dahil nagpahinga tayo ng konti. Medyo paggabi na dito. Hi, Lisa. Parang 5:30 na, no? Mga 5:30 na. Ayun sila yung sa likod ko. Sila Joseph nandun. Ito tayo, of course. Sila Fonzie and Glenn are over there. Ngayon, pupunta tayo kay Ayub. Kasi meron daw siyang tinimpla na inumin for us. Sip! Sige. Ano yun? Sige, oo. Sige, hindi. Tara, dito lang kami. Finally. After crossing 2 rivers and 8 mountains, I'm here at Ayub's truck. No, I'm just here. It's just that I have to fix the tent first. I have to put lights. Get ready for when it gets dark. Baso! Yeah. Okay. Very good. So yeah. Ayub, what are you planning to do? Let's do this like a monthly thing. Huh?
Yes, absolutely.
Right?
You sure about that? I'm game.
I'm game if you're game.
Yes.
I have to think about that. Yeah, okay. So tomorrow we will bathe in the river because right now it's too cold. Ayan, no? Look at how the wind blows. It's really cold. Yan, was Joseph andito na. Kasama natin to sa actually sumusupport talaga si Boss Joseph sa mga natin, lakad natin.
Yeah.
Diba, yan. O yan, so Ayub, can you show us your poison? So what is that? Oh, tell me what you're doing.
I'm just caramelizing the orange slice.
The orange slice. Does it have, is that like sugar on top or what is that?
Brown sugar, yeah.
Oh, that's brown sugar, okay. So that's just a regular orange that you can get from the grocery, right?
Yes.
So just a regular orange with brown sugar,
What's the purpose?
caramelized with a torch. And here's my, yeah, there. So you will put the torched orange with caramelized sugar. And what else is there? Ice, of course. And there goes the Jameson.
The main ingredient.
The main ingredient. Do you have to
First try it.
drink it straight? Okay. More orange. And what is that?
Did you off?
Oh, okay. What's that? What does that do?
It's a whiskey smoker.
It's a whiskey smoker. No, I think it's about done. I don't know. We're cheating. We do it with rice cooker.
Yeah, me too. I don't know.
Okay, so you torch the. So that's the, what is that?
Cherry wood.
Wooden chips, cherry wood. Okay. Okay, and then so the idea is
Infuse it with the smoke, with the cherries.
With the
cherry
smoke,
wood
okay.
Pinchua.
By the way, Ayub is wearing our Banaya shirt.
Whoa.
Okay.
Go for it.
Wow, okay. Smoked whiskey. Let's get cheers.
Whiskey with smoke, huh?
Wow.
Is it cold or hot?
No, it's cold. It's just that the smoke, the aroma's there.
Ah, okay.
First time trying this. Oh, it's your turn. What is that? This is like potato or what is this?
Like
Pulutan?
pulutan.
What is this made of? Is this like potato or? Nakang pikinig. Sarap na raw.
Okay.
Okay. Diba?
Spicy.
Makes you want to drink more. No, that's a perfect pulutan. Whatever pulutan that makes you want to drink more, that's it.
Are we eating now or still time?
Okay.
You can prepare.
There's like different flavors.
Ah,
I can feel the
smoke.
Yeah, smoke.
There's like apple wood. What's the other one?
but it's really meant wood. It's meant for whiskey.
Peach wood. Yeah.
Okay. And have you tried all of those?
No,
So this is the first time.
just the oak wood and the
Okay.
this one.
Why you have to do?
Yeah.
Nice.
At saka,
Mango salad. Okay. Oh, next. Who's next? Oh, Payal. How are you, Payal? What did you prepare for everyone?
Chicken keema and black lentils.
Okay. Next. Who's next?
Pork inihaw, chicken, and then bangus.
Bangus. Yun.
All-time favorite, menudo.
Yon. Ito yung mabango eh. Kanina pa eh. Go ahead. Go ahead. Good morning. Ayan, first time natin nakatulog dito sa Udi na tent na to. Ang hirap bumangon kasi ang sarap pa matulog. So yan yung kumbaga alternate setup natin sa ating FJ. Yan, walang RTT, walang kahit ano. Wala ding awning. Wala din palang awning, no. Yan, so nasa taas lang is syempre yung front runner na roof rack. May wolf pack dyan kagabi. Tapos yan yung mga tubig, isang drinking, isang general use na water. Tapos meron pa tayong isang case na ginagamit ngayon. Eto. Yan yung Outrider. So dyan sa case na yan, kasya yung dalawang bag ng Kudi na pang accessories, tsaka 3 upuan, 3 camping chair. Yan, so you can also check them out. Yan ang setup natin ngayon. Yan yung Kudi na tent natin. So again, ito yung parang alternate setup namin pag gusto naman namin mag ground tent. Yan. Ano nang makakain dito, wala pa. Sibuyas tsaka kape, pwede na yan. Ito yung gawa nila Kuya Luis. Yan, Camper's Life Auto Body. Good morning. Paalis na kami. So that's our Campwell video. Thank you guys for watching. Kaliwa mo ng gulong. Kaliwa mo ng gulong. Diretso, diretso. Sige, slowly lang. Sige lang. Hey, I know you. So magpipicture lang kami dito. Ayan, ginaid naman kami ni Kuya kasi nalimutan ko na rin yung daan pababa eh. Shout out Jimmy Girls. Ayan, dito tayo magmamaniobra. Tapos, group photo sandali.